It is not ceasefire. The ruler of America is not a normal man. I think he has been psychotic because he says that he wants to finish off the whole Iran. The Iran consists of more than 10 crore people. What do you think of Iran? So he has taken this is the sixth installment time. What business he got? What is war? Is it required? Just a few days before we have seen more than 166 children have been killed indiscriminately. So what Lenin has said, declare war against war. We want to follow that. We don't want war. We don't want to see a war. That's all it is.
Now, who has won the war now?
No doubt, it is Nayatullah and Donald Trump. For unnecessary. There is no reason at all. And the people of America, they came out. They came out indiscriminately. They came out, they are fighting against the one president. This is not only in Bangalore, across the world. This is happening, and this is a lesson to the upcoming the people who want the war. For them, this is a good lesson.